Apple surprised everyone this year with the launch of the iPhone 16e instead of iPhone SE 4, which, while not exactly a budget device, still came in as the most affordable iPhone in the current lineup. Priced at $599, the 16e wasn't cheap by traditional standards, but for those who want to experience iOS without spending top dollar on a Pro model, it served as an appealing option. Now, Apple appears to be preparing the next chapter in its affordable range, the iPhone 17e, and if leaks are to be believed, the device is already inching closer to production. According to recent reports from sources like Instant Digital on Weibo, Apple has almost completed the planning phase for trial production of the iPhone 17e. This hints that the company is taking the early steps toward mass production, which strongly indicates a launch timeline in the first half of 2026. While Apple hasn't officially confirmed any details, this early development cycle supports claims that Apple wants to keep its E-series alive and synchronized with its broader iPhone roadmap. Now, what can we expect from the iPhone 17e? Given that the E-series is positioned as an affordable alternative, it's highly unlikely Apple will include features that might overlap too closely with the premium iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. Apple will likely continue its strategy of reserving high-end features for its mainline flagships to maintain a clear distinction between the product tiers. However, one feature fans are hoping to see is the dynamic island. While this feature has been limited to higher-end models, including it on the 17th could offer users a more modern and immersive experience. And given the 17e's price point, it would be a welcome addition that enhances perceived value without threatening the premium lineup. Hardware improvements are expected too. If Apple follows tradition, we can anticipate a newer chipset under the hood, possibly the Apple A19 chip, which would bring better performance and efficiency. This would make the 17th not just a more affordable iPhone, but also one with the capability to run iOS smoothly for several years. There's also speculation about Apple's in-house modem making a return. The iPhone 16e reportedly featured Apple's C1 modem, the company's custom 5G solution, and it's plausible the 17e will either carry the same or a refined version. While most of the focus right now is on the iPhone 17e, it's worth noting that Apple's broader release cycle might see a shift in the near future. There are murmurs that the iPhone 18 series could adopt a surprise launch schedule, with the iPhone 18e and standard iPhone 18 possibly arriving in spring 2027, while the premium iPhone 18 Pro models are still expected around fall 2026. This indicates that Apple may be working on redefining its product calendar, especially for the non-Pro and affordable segments. All eyes are now on how Apple shapes the iPhone 17e and whether it will strike the right balance between cost and features. If the company manages to introduce meaningful upgrades like the Dynamic Island and A19 chip, all while keeping the price relatively accessible, the 17e could turn out to be a very attractive option for users who want a modern iPhone experience without the premium price tag. With production plans already taking shape, the countdown to the iPhone 17e has begun, and 2026 might just bring one of the most practical iPhones yet. With that being said, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. I'll see you guys in the next video.